who's the next one?
Louis.
Louis. Okay, so you say, let's welcome.
Let's welcome Louis.
Louis, are you ready to get your lucky ball? Are you ready? Where's your mommy? Don't forget to get your mommy, okay? Okay, choose one. Dun, 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 dun. What number is this?
3.
3. Okay, please get 3. Are you ready? Okay, okay, start it.
Hello everyone, my name is Louis. I think I'm a strong boy. I like to eat banana, but I don't like to eat cookie. I live in Santong. I like to go to school. I go to Sidong Elementary School. I live in first group.
Which grade are you in?
I am in first group.
What do you like to do? What do you do at school?
I do lot of things at school with a friend. I like English a lot. I'm sorry for Terry is the class. Here is a class. The children are 6 years old. What could they do? The class can work in a group. They rub the pen. They stop on paper. The class has just. They have a class in a stage. They take set of paper. The class looks at that. This man is the animal. They say, "Who's big dog?" The class likes to play. They climb up the ladder. They go down the slide. The children dance on the bus. They will be home school. It is the class like yours. Thank you everyone. I hope you like this story. Please clap your hands for me.
Thank you, Louis. Louis, what's next?
Ellie.
Ellie? Okay, so you said